Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can change your video to black and white color in Adobe Premiere 2019. So first, what you want to have is your two clips or one clip, it doesn't matter. Go to project, right click in your project, new item, adjustment layer, OK. Take and grab your adjustment layer like this. Now what you want to go to effect menu and right here tint, and you will have it here video effect, color correction and tint. Grab it, take it and paste it on your video, and voila. You can also make black to black, make white to, I don't know, red, and it's going to be red. If I'm going to leave it on white, it's going to be on white. But this is how we can make it. So yep, black and white color or whatever color you desire. If you like this video, you can support this channel with subscribe. I'll really thank for that. And yep, thank you very much again and see you in another tutorial. Goodbye.